Look at these puff pastry pizza wheels. Let's make them. Spread some sauce, cheese, and pepperoni on top of the pastry sheets. Roll them up into pinwheels and put an egg wash on the top. 400-degree oven for 25 minutes. Would you look at these? Christmas crack. Line a baking sheet with tin foil and then spray with oil. Spread crackers or Ritz onto your baking sheet. 1 stick of butter. Stir constantly, then when it reaches 330 degrees, immediately remove from the heat. Quickly spread over the top of the crackers. Now pour some chocolate love on there and spread it around all the way so everything is covered real good. Now put it in the refrigerator or the freezer for 2 hours. Look at the deliciousness we got here. Perfect to leave out for Santa. I'm Calamity Girl, and this is my point of view. Do you love candied pecans, but you don't know how to make them? They are surprisingly easy. Let me show you. 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now just mix it all together. Dump that in a hot pan with 1/8 cup of water and stir it and let it boil. Let it go to a slow boil for 15 minutes, stirring often. While working quickly, stir in your pecans and turn off the heat. Take them out of the pan a little at a time and separate them so that they won't get stuck together. This is the hardest part of the job. Let's try some. Oh my gosh. It's so fresh and so delicious. I hope you enjoyed. Merry Christmas.